Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the identical Apple ID on both devices and join the same Wi-Fi network. On the iPhone, enable FaceTime and Wi-Fi calling in settings, then allow calls on other devices. Once done, open settings on the iPad, go to FaceTime, and toggle calls from iPhone. This first step links the phone's mobile call capability to your iPad so the devices can hand off and share cellular calls over Wi-Fi. Next, you enable and verify the pathway. On the iPad, open FaceTime and turn on calls from iPhone. On the iPhone, go to Settings, Phone, allow calls on other devices, permit the specific iPad. Make a live test, have someone call your iPhone number while both devices are awake. If configured correctly, the iPad rings and shows the caller. You can answer on the iPad and use its mic and speaker. This confirms the devices are communicating for call handoff. To finish, make sure Do Not Disturb is off on the iPad and that both devices run recent iOS/iPad OS versions, then place another test call. If calls still fail, reboot both devices, sign out and back into FaceTime on the iPad, and toggle Allow Calls on other devices on the iPhone. A key troubleshooting tip: if you don't get the iPad ringing, verify your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and that it's active on the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.